This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time pass things step by step. Begin by picking a clear activity you enjoy or need to finish and commit to a short window like 20 minutes. Prepare your workspace, silence notifications, and have a simple plan of 3 micro tasks to tackle. When the timer ends, pause and reflect, then decide whether to continue or switch tasks based on how you feel. I recommend weaving short movement breaks into longer sessions to keep energy steady and make time feel smoother. After each focused interval, stand up and do a brief stretch or walk for 3 to 5 minutes to reset circulation and attention. Use gentle stretches or deep breaths rather than heavy exercise to maintain momentum. These tiny resets help minutes pass with purpose and prevent burnout during longer projects. If you're enjoying this and want more helpful tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep making these videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to set hands-free timers and play calming ambient sounds while you work. I really like how it blends into a routine, making focus moments effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Engaging the senses makes moments richer and helps time feel more manageable when you want it to pass. Create a gentle soundscape or playlist that matches your task pace, and tune lighting so it feels cozy yet alert. Small tactile aids like a smooth stone or simple fidget can keep restless hands satisfied. These sensory tweaks make minutes more pleasant and help sustain attention through longer stretches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.